All right, traders, this is the strategy I'm about to show you. Just putting up a disclaimer here so you know that none of this is financial advice, and let's head into it. All right, so we got the indicator called WStream. This is something you can access for free. So it's pretty simple. It's a DCA strategy. The only thing you actually need to do is buy when you get the rocket and sell when you got the moon, or get out of the trade in this case. I wouldn't advise people to sell in a crypto market, because you know, when the crypto pump is coming, it's impossible to DCA in all the range it's putting into the upside. So for the most part, doing buys when the rockets and getting out when the moons are coming. That's it. So I'll show you some examples there. So what you want to do is basically you want to buy here, then you want to put in a position with 1% of your account with 25x leverage. Then you put in another buy in here because the price is lower. You got a new rocket, and then you're getting out when you got the moons. That's how simple it is. And now you're making trading so much simpler for you. And then you got the rocket again, so you buy, then you wait. If you get a lower price with a rocket, you buy again. And then you wait until you get the moon, right? So you keep on doing this over and over and over again. See, right now we got the rocket, and you got the rocket here as well, but this is higher than the previous one, so you don't buy here. You only have one position right now, so you're waiting until the moons is coming. That's how simple it is. And you keep on doing this over and over and over again, and this, you can do this on every time frame as well. So for example, you can change it up a little bit, because inside of the WStream indicator you can change the sensitivity. If you want to be more proactive, you could add more rockets right here. So you can, for example, buy here, get out, buy, get out, right? Buy, get out, buy, get out. You can buy, get out. You can do this over and over and over again. If you want to have more trades, this is how to do it. But when the market is really dumping, you need to be careful to not have many entries. I would say maximum of 5 entries on one pair. 5 entries on one pair, so you can scale it out. The next thing you could do, for example, you could take a signal on the 1 minute. Okay, so this is my first signal. So you're waiting for the next signal to be on the 5 minute, for example. So you're waiting for the 5 minute to come, right? So you bought here, let's say you bought here on the 1 minute. Now you're getting rockets on the 5 minute right here. So you buy here on the 5 minutes, so you have a lower price. And then you can, for example, go to the 15 minutes, right? So we were actually watching this row right here, and you see the 15, then you're buying down here, and then you're getting out on the 15 moon right here. So this is also a way to do it, that you scale out from the first signal to the last signal. You're just scaling out the time frame if it's dumping even more than expected. So we do have a lot more strategies with the WStream. This is just one of them. I wanted to show the simplest one you could try and use. So yeah, we can. This works on any pair. Let me just go to, for example, Solana in here. Got Solana. Let's scale this out again to 100. I like to have it on 100, so I have fewer signals, more quality. And then let's go. Yeah, see, everything disappeared, and you only have the bottom right there, which is really nice. Let me just hide everything here as well. I was pretty sure I did this. So let me just do this. Folder, hide. There we go. And now I wanted to show you another way of doing this. Let me just, we have another indicator as well for another strategy. So let me show this. Copy. So now I have two WStreams up and running. So what you can do actually right now is you can scale one of them. You can have one for the rockets in here, just one for the rockets. And that could be, you could set it to whatever you want. I would use 50, 75, 100, and 200. That's the range I would choose for the rockets. For the buy side or the sell side on crypto, you could use 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. 500, that's basically for the 4 hour and daily right there. I can show you what I mean. So if you set this to, for example, to the 500 and only have the moons in here. Was this the one I scaled? No. And this is only for the rockets in here with, let's say, 75 in here. Now we have rockets and the moons. And if I go to the higher time frames right here, we should see rockets, right, on the 4 hour. This is for a higher, so you have a buy-in right here, you have a buy-in right here, and here, and here, and then you're fully filled, and then you get out right here, or you get out right here when the market is starting to move. I don't remember. Did I put it to 500? I don't think I actually did. Yeah, I did put it to 500 right there. Let's go to BTC and show you that. So BTC, there we go. See, so this is the 4 hour right there. We got the rocket, buy in, buy in, buy in. You would catch the bottom right there, and now basically you're just waiting for a moon to arrive right there. And a moon can present itself at any given time. And you see here again, you got some rockets. Here you go. I have a little bit. I need to upgrade my plan right there. Yeah, rockets, you have buy-in, 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 right? So you have 4 buy-ins, and they're basically just waiting for the moon, which is over here. So if we scale and take, let's do it like this. This is the moon right there. And from all of these buys in here, you can see on the 4 hour that you have made about 300 and something % on your DCA strategy right here on the 4 hour. So that's basically how this is working. It's super simple. I think this is the most user-friendly beginner strategy out there. See if you want to test it out, just join our Discord and you'll get you settled.